All right, we've got breaking news just coming in. Over a month after that Pulwama attack, NSA Ajit Doval has spoken tough on terror. Addressing a CRPF event, Doval has said that India will decide on the timing and India will decide on the location of the action against terrorists and those who are harboring them. Indian leadership will support us. That is the very latest coming in from NSA Ajit Doval. This is of course coming in over a month after that dastardly attack that we saw in Pulwama that took the lives of 40 CRPF jawans. We have a reaction coming in there from NSA Ajit Doval. Let's listen in.
मैं 40 उन बहादुर जवानों को जिन्होंने अपनी सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया और पुलवामा के अंदर में एक बहुत ही दारुण उस घटना के अंदर में इतनी सारी जानों की आहुति इस बल को और राष्ट्र को देनी पड़ी। राष्ट्र इसको न भूला है न भूलेगा। हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमारा मार्ग क्या हो, हमारा ध्येय क्या हो, हमारी प्रक्रिया किस प्रकार की हो, उसका समय क्या हो, हमारा इसका निर्धारण इस देश के नेतृत्व इसका निर्धारण करने में वो सक्षम भी है और उसमें हौसला भी है। चाहे वो आतंकवादी हो, चाहे वो आतंकवादियों को सहायता करने वाले लोग हों, हम इसका मुकाबला करेंगे और हर मुसीबत का, हर चुनौती का, हर संकट का उस मुकाबला करने का हम में हौसला भी है और इरादा भी।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining us for all the very latest right there. Kamaljeet, it's not right for us to discuss the time and location of that, but the fact of the matter is what Ajit Doval is saying is that India has not forgotten and of course the military offensive is in the offing.
Well, a clear signal coming in from the NSA Ajit Doval. It's a clear warning for Pakistan. Says India will not forget those who had laid down their lives in Pulwama. He's speaking at a CRPF function and he was saying the timing, the choice of path, how it will be done, this will not be disclosed, but this will be decided by the leadership, the capable leadership of India. And there will be a challenge which will come in the form of terrorism, and they will challenge not just the terrorists but also those who support the terrorists. So very clear warning coming in from Ajit Doval, the NSA, who's also said to be the man and the brain behind the surgical strike against Pakistan. So clear warning coming in. And remember, this is obviously poignant at this moment because he's speaking at the 80th ceremony anniversary of CRPF, which is happening in Khadarpur currently in Gurgaon. So very clearly, he's also said and told the CRPF that this is a force which mans almost the entire country itself, that their josh has to be high, since saying that a whole lot is dependent. But I think it's the optics, and it is a signal to Pakistan which is much more significant in today's scenario. So obviously a clear signal and a warning coming in from NSA.
Oh, absolutely. Kamal, this is a huge story that we are breaking right now here on India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.